Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how you can adjust your steering wheel position. So pretty much you can adjust the height of it and the depth of it. This video should apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2019. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so just under the steering wheel, I will turn on the flash on my phone actually. You will see like a black lever, and all you have to do, you have to pull it all the way down to unlock the steering wheel. And now your steering wheel should be completely loose and you should be able to lift it up or down. You see how much up or down I can pull it, and I will show you now in or out, right? You can pull it out or push it in, and pretty much you can adjust the steering wheel position based on your seat position, based on your height, arm length, and things like that, which can be really handy. Yeah, and once you are happy with the position of the steering wheel, you will again push this lever all the way up. One more tip: you don't want to do this while you are driving, because then you might lose control, right? So you have to do this while you are parked, and ideally while the vehicle is turned off. Adjust your steering wheel, and once you are done, always make sure it's nice and tight and this lever is all the way up. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel, there's lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.